Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or apply adjustments to the background only in CapCut PC. For example, going to import that I want to edit. So I'm just going to select this video and add to the track. So select adjustment and just um, change for the task option right here. Feel like just example. After done, you're just going to right click on the clip, select create component clip, and select the same video as an overlay put on top. Go to cutout and select the auto cutout or remove the background automatically. Just wait for processing. You can see for the final result. You can see the adjustment is applying to the background only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.